And lots of Hoosiers will hit the road today for the Thanksgiving holiday, facing high winds, traffic, and airport lines. RTV6's Stephanie Wade is working for you to see how people are handling it and what you need to know to have a smooth trip.
People coming.
Our dog's name is Arlo.
And you had to have him here
To see his big sister, our daughter, Zoe, who's coming home from college in Boston.
and going. Where are you headed?
We're headed to Solvang, California, just outside of Santa Barbara.
All awaiting to spend time with family this Thanksgiving.
We're grandparents. We get to sit back and tend to the grandkids. We'll leave it at that.
No cooking for you?
No, but I cook a hellacious pumpkin chiffon pie.
The four of us will do the drumstick dash tomorrow morning.
You're those kind of people.
a little bit. It's fun.
Some spending time with family for the very first time.
We are flying to West Palm Beach to see my brother, who I did not know I had until 69 days ago.
This will be the first holiday Jennifer Wetzel is celebrating with her adoptive brother. She discovered she had through a 23andMe DNA test.
I think at our age, just every minute is precious, and I always say we have to seize the day because we're not in our 20s and 30s, and so truly, like, every minute that I get to talk to him or get to see him is super special.
And nothing will stunt that joy, not even the weather.
The weather outside is frightful, but this group is so delightful. It's windy.
If you're taking the roads, no, you're not alone. AAA predicts 49.3 million travelers will be behind the wheel this year for Thanksgiving. That's the most since 2005.
Everybody have safe travels out there. Stay in your lane.
Working for you, Stephanie Wade, RTV6.